Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps offline. It's really simple and easy. So for this, first of all, just open up the Google Maps application here. And then you have to hover over the area in which you want the offline maps that you don't have to do right now, but just kind of know the area when you are going to be at. Then on the top right corner, what you want to do is you are going to click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and you want to go ahead and find this offline maps button here. As you can see, just simply tap on it and you will come to this area here. Now you can go ahead and choose whether you want to select your own map. Whatever, in this case we can go and select your own map here. You can go ahead and pretty much kind of choose whichever area you want to go ahead and have an offline map, and here it will kind of give you an estimate that the downloads may take up to this megabytes or something like that. So keep that in mind. So here you can go and zoom in a little bit more if you want to. You can also zoom out. You can also increase the size and decrease the size of this. That is basically how it's done. Now let's say you want this area, whatever it is, what you can do is go and click on this download. It's going to go ahead and start downloading this specific map offline. So once it's done, you are pretty much good to go and you will actually be able to access this map offline. So as you can see, it's downloading. So now you can go and go back and your offline map will show up here. As you can see, it's downloaded now and it's showing me here. If I tap on it, as you can see, it's saved here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.